Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a different kind of unboxing today and a little bit of a story time. So let us see what we've got here today. If you see in the title, it says Takashi Murakami unboxing, but it's not what we think it is, or maybe is it? So here's the packaging. I've already kind of snipped it open because when it arrived in the mail a few days ago, I was so excited that I just was like, oh my gosh, I need to open it. And then I realized what it was because I couldn't recognize the address on there. So anyway, so what do you think it is? What do you think it is? So I bought myself a few Takashi Murakami merch. And these are from Takashi Murakami Kai Kai Kiki Co. Limited company. So Kiki Kai Kai Co. is Takashi Murakami's own company. So it produces these sort of like Takashi Murakami merch, these plushy pin flowers, as well as also helping other artists. So here we go. Let's see what they're like. I need to cut the tape open. Ooh. So I chose a few. So I chose a total of 4 from this it's an Australian reseller actually. So it comes with a pin and also a string here so that you can hang it on a bag charm. But I think I like it to use the pin itself just to like hook it onto the bag loop. So this is how the pin opens, and yeah, one of these pins, and you know, this is just one of these swivelly catch. So I've always really liked the Takashi Murakami flowers, and so I was sort of considering buying something from the Takashi Murakami Louis Vuitton release. But then I sort of stopped myself because the collection that I really liked is actually the Takashi Murakami Cherry Blossoms and Louis Vuitton's collaboration. But then I thought to myself, well, I maybe am not that in love with LV products. I think I like the flowers, the cute little things, more than I like LV products. But having said that, I do have a cherry blossom LV bag. Well, let me show you. I mean, I know I just said that I don't really like LV products, and then I go and show 2 LV products. Well, 2. So I have here with me is the cherry blossom pattern design on the LV papillon bag from the year 2003. So this is from the original collection, and no, I bought this pre-loved, and I bought this last year. When it arrived, or when it sort of arrived in my radar in one of the consignment shops, I just had to get it. This is, I have to say, out of all the Takashi Murakami collaboration with Louis Vuitton's product, this is the one that I've always wanted for a long time, but I've never found one in fairly good condition without a lot of the yellowing of the canvas and without a lot of stains on the vachetta itself. So I think yes, and this is a bit of a dream bag for me that I have found, and so of course I'm going to have to get it. Anyway, so then I thought to myself, one of these Takashi Murakami flower pin is going to go so well on all my other bags, because not only can I wear it as a brooch. Oh my god, look at how brightly colored it is. But it will also be able to clip onto all the different bags. Then I can have all these Takashi Murakami flowers with me wherever I go. Now my only problem is, should I hang it? Or should I just pin it to the, I don't know, I was going to just pin it on here like that, so that, because sometimes I find with the flower, when you hang like a charm, it just keeps getting like sort of flopping around, getting in the way sometimes. So I thought to myself, maybe I'll just pin it to the loop of the handle. Yeah. So by the way, this is not the story time that I promised you. There will be story time coming up, but let me just style. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So let me just style this bag, and then that way, oops, I can open. So I have a also hot pink bag liner in it, just to go with the theme. And that way, yeah, I think I like it clipped onto the sort of the loop of the bag handle here. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. What about like this one on each side? Maybe I need to get more of that. Oh wow, it's so cute. Okay, so story time. And you know, I've got 4 now. And when I saw these plushy pins, I just had to get it, because when I was in kindergarten, so yeah, story time, when I was in kindergarten, and this is in Malaysia, at the end of the class, sometimes it's music class, so we all sit around and sing songs, and sometimes it's quiet coloring class. And I remember one time we were given a picture of, you know, flowers, butterflies, dragonflies, all these pretty things to color. And we were given a box, a huge box of color pencils to share with our classmates. And I just remembered, oh, I have to use every single color pencils in this box. So I wanted to color my daisy, actually pretty much like this, 1 petal for every pencil. Or I think one of my flowers was like blue, half of the petals, orange, half of the petals, and then another flower, like a different color on a bunch of petals, and then another different color on a bunch of petals. I actually went to a school, a Catholic school that was run by nuns, and one of the nun teachers walked past and saw me with my daisies, which have different colored petals. And then she said, daisies are not that color. Do it again. So she took away my, what I thought was my gorgeous artwork, and gave me a brand new one. So then I thought to myself, now that I'm an adult, you know, growing up in Malaysia, I've actually never really seen daisies, because all the flowers in tropical countries are usually very colorful. Well, maybe not colorful like this, but they are all very colorful. So in my mind, flowers are meant to be colorful. So when I saw these, especially this one, I just really had to get this plushy brooch pin thing. But I thought this would go so well with one of my other LV little mini bag. And it's the Suhali, this is the mini bag in black. And I think I've shown this on my channel very early on. Like, this is my one and only black bag. I'm not a black bag kind of person. So, but I thought, yeah, because it's small, I think it will do. So what I think this little pin would look so good pinned on to, here we go. Let me have a look. Oh gosh. This will look so good pinned onto a black background. right? Because of all the colors. Yeah, I think this looks so cute on here. Yeah, right? Oh my gosh, such a vibe. And it makes me so happy. I mean, I was a talented little artist back then, right? I mean, like if Takashi Murakami could do this, why couldn't a 6-7-year-old me make petals of all different colors? I mean, I felt like, you know, my talent was squashed. No, not really. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoy this little video, and I hope you like the little plushy pins as much as I do. And also, finally, thank you so much for some recent new subscribers, which tipped me over 100 subscribers on my channel. Whee! Thank you. See you in the next video.